Hi guys, what we have here today is the name 2-in-1 iROOM 무선청소기 AST-009 Plus. Code 없는 무선, 강한흡 입력, 가벼운 handy style, and then 충전시간 거치대. Ang hirap. Ibig sabihin nun, ang naintindihan ko lang is, ito yung name, iROOM, and then 무선청소기 means wireless vacuum. So let's start right away. Unboxing and everything. Oh, dahan-dahan. Kasi if ever this one is some kind of damage or pulyang, we can change it. Pampun. If ever. Sana wag kasi gagamitin na namin eh. Wala na kaming konsumi. Okay. Diyan ka muna. Professional power force extreme. Really? Okay. This is it. iROOM 2-in-1 stick and handy. May ano siya. Just like what we had before, it's almost the same, but the brand is different. The name of the brand or the company brand, company name. Yun lang, dalawa lang siyang ganun. And ano siya? Purple. So ito yung handle. This is the handle. Ito yung body. Yung ito pang mga parts. Ito siya. Ito yung pinakang dulo. The charger connected to this. Parang pares ng nasa hagon. Ginagamit namin. Ayan siya. Magaan lang. So light. Wala na, yun lang. That's it. No more. Now is assembling time. I don't know how to do it, so I have to call my partner in crime. Oo nga, same yung sa hagon. Wow, napakaano niya, ang gaan, grabe. Parang wala kang ginagamit, parang basta magaan siya. I really don't know how to assemble it. So, let's wait for my partner in crime. That's it, guys. Let's wait for him kasi I really don't know, guys. Well, may naman siya dito. Process. Number 1, number 2. Kaya nga lang, baka kasi magkamali ako, tas mamaya may dyan. Broken, kaya wait natin siya. Okay, he's coming. So, ayan, in-explain na niya sa akin kung paano. Ako na lang daw gumawa. So, ganyan siya, guys. Diba may butas siya dyan? And then you put it like this. So, make it sure. Ando na siya sa loob. And then, salsal. It means slowly. Kapag hindi siya pumasok, huwag niya ipilit kasi baka broken. So, sal. Okay. Pag tumunog na yan, yun na yan. So, dito mo siya pipindutin para tanggalin. One more. Ayan, di ba? Nakatakot lang kasi baka nga masira. Okay. Then, yun na siya, di ba? Connected na. Next, this one. Okay, tumunog na din. Pag tinanggal mo, okay, ganyan. So, one more. Okay, basta pag tumunog, yun na yun. Next. Okay, yan na din siya. Tumunog na din. One more. Okay. Dahan-dahan. Baka ito ay masira. Bago-bago eh. Okay. So, tumunog na rin siya. Yan. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Ito yung kanyang switch on here. So, diba? Double mo siyang i-click. Ay, asa na ba? Ayan. Ganyan. So, 1, 2, 3. Turn it off. Ganon. Ano naman ito? Ito yung kanyang charger. So, sa charger, diba may butas siya dyan? So, meron din siya ditong parang ganyan. This one. This one. So, ganyan. And this one. This one is here. Tumunog, diba? And then, i-charge mo dun sa saksakan. Tapos, this one are for here. Ganyan. Lalagyan mo. Yan lang siya. That's it. Finish. Ganyan. Tapos mo, isaksak kong ganyan. Diba? Tauriness. That's it, guys. Tapos pag tinanggal mo, ganyan lang din. Ganyan. Everything is sal-sal. You have to slow. Ganyan. So, put it back. Put it back. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy my vlog. Bye!